Welcome to the craft bar. Today on our brunch hour, I'm going to be making beadable pins, and this should be a fairly simple project. They come like this. You unscrew the end, and then you thread onto it very large, pretty exciting beads. And I've got a whole bunch of beads, all in red, white, and blue. I've been working on a fun project for a conference I'm going to. Going to be featuring these beads in most of them. And if not that, then one of these fun, giant, large spacer beads. So sit back, let's relax. Let's see if we can make some very exciting red, white, and blue themed Texas festive pins. All right, I got this kit on Amazon, and it included 12 pins. You got 4 blue, 2 silver, 2 white, 2 red, 2 kind of pink glitter, and beads, plain beads, colored beads, like pattern. There are there's 4 beads of every pattern. I did go through and already checked these out. They came with little spacers, kind of rhinestone spacer beads in red, white, and silver. Red, white, and blue. Red, white, and blue. They're all silver. And then these focal beads, which are stars. They are wooden and white, smaller stars. There is the big bead. There is the small bead. And then the spacers also. I got these in a pack. They come in packs of 8. I think I got these through Temu. It's been a while since I bought them. But I did get 24 in total, and I've used some on keychain dangles. I'm going to use some on lanyard pulls, and I'm going to use 8 of them here in these pins. So I got 8 Texases, but I've got 12 pins, so 4 are just going to be fun and beaded. All right, let's get started. I'm excited. Let's bead some pins. Now, these pins have a thinner shaft than some keychains that I did. And I found that out because the spacer beads only fit where these beads were too small for another project. And I tried this earlier, and I can see that when you put on the spacer bead, it falls down into the shaft of the pin. So the first thing to do with one of the pins, I think, is going to be to put on a big bead. And that way you won't have things falling into the crevice. And the pins, just that way. These didn't come with a refill, so I think this is a one and done pin. Others I saw sets had refills. Do with that as you like. Alright, let's see. I do want to feature a Texas in this one originally, so let's maybe blue. Let's have how much space I have on this pin. That's kind of the first thing I guess I should figure out is where is Texas gonna fit on this? So that looks to be pretty good right there. Like that might be as much as you can fit. Yeah, in fact, that's too much. I think that's too much. Because it was sticking down in there. So Texas needs to be able to just sort of swing around because the shape of Texas is fun, right? We need to accommodate that. We thought this was too much already. Yeah, that's too much already. So let's see one of those little stars. That might be right. But that's ugly. So that might be the right amount of, bead length to fill in the pin, but that's an ugly design. We're not going with that. We won't be doing that. I didn't remember how this looked when they showed the kit on Amazon. How they had the stars featured. But let me look that up. I'd be curious to see. How did they have these arranged on the pin? Was the star at the top? Right, like... I just got excited by the Americana and the stars and did not look too close. Yeah. Tell me if you've ever done that. Alright, well... Let's see. Let's see what we come up with. I like these beads. I'm not upset, right? here they all are, fanned out. They all turned out very quickly, right? I think I did that in 10, 20 minutes. For a kit, it works pretty well. They aren't perfectly lined up, but I think you just gotta enjoy what you get out of this. So they do give you enough material to make all 12 pins and vary your designs. You're not just wedded to one design. I would say a thumbs up, a good review for that product kit. I do like what I got, and I look forward to giving these out as part of a raffle when we have a conference coming up. Thanks for joining us today. Hope to see you again. Like and subscribe to get videos like this and other fun content where we try out craft kits like this one and tell you, did it work? What was it like? Other projects that we think of on our own. We'll see you again. Have a great day.